Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best hot air fryers. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the hot air fryers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best hot air fryers on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the Black Plus Decker Purify 2-liter air fryer. Air fryers don't need all the bells and whistles to be effective, although yes, they can certainly help. The Black Plus Decker Purify 2-liter air fryer may not have all the fancy preset buttons, but it does have temperature and time control options, which are all you need if you plan to follow recipes that include this information. But just in case, this air fryer also comes with an instruction manual that tells you which temperatures are best for most foods. The timer runs for up to an hour, and the machine will automatically turn off when your cook time is up. You'll also find a temperature range of 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the basket holds enough for 2 to 4 servings, with a 2-liter capacity. If you don't like the look of glowing displays and prefer simpler tech, the dials on this air fryer are as straightforward as it gets. However, some reviewers do say that the numbers on them can be hard to read. Coming at number 7, Iris air fryer and convection toaster oven. If you live in a smaller space, getting a multi-purpose appliance is a no-brainer. The Iris air fryer and convection toaster oven has 7 functions in total, and it can fry wings just as easily as it can bake a cake. A tech editor said that this machine can do everything from bake bagels from scratch to toast them up the next day. I've made whole chickens, bundt cakes, chicken thighs, and tater tots with it, and they all come out great. She advises that the air fryer is a little bit slow to heat, so following the directions carefully is key here. Still, she says, it's a great choice for families who want a powerful air fryer, but also need it to do more than just one thing. It's pretty big, but considering all its functionality and the fact that it replaces several devices, it's awesome. Plus, you don't need to heat up your whole kitchen in the summer to bake a cake. Number 6. Dash Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer plus Oven Cooker. If you're limited on kitchen space and looking for a smaller model, the lightweight and super cute Dash Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer plus Oven Cooker is your best bet. With a 2.6 quart non-stick fryer basket, simple to use temperature controls, and an automatic turn-off feature, this best-selling air fryer is user-friendly, compact, and stylish. Beyond the sleek aesthetic, there are a few clever built-in features that make this air fryer model particularly user-friendly and versatile. Its 30-minute timer shuts off automatically, eliminating the possibility of overcooking or burning, which makes this unit safe for families to use. It also shuts off when the cooking drawer is removed. The easy-to-read dual temperature control dials allow the user to adjust the heat for a variety of different foods and recipes. One reviewer calls this an adult easy-bake oven, and we have to say that's spot on. This petite pick can cook a wide range of bites in just a fraction of the time a full-size oven can. Coming in at number 5, Ninja Foodi 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Who says you have to stop at just an air fryer? Not us. The Ninja Foodi 4-in-1 Air Fryer combines the functionality of an air fryer with 2 independently functioning 4-quart frying zones, each with its own cooking basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater. So, in other words, you can be air frying chicken wings in one basket for carnivores and cauliflower or Brussels sprouts in the second for your vegetarian dinner guests. Its 4-in-1 versatility means the Ninja Foodi can be used to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, so you end up saving major time and energy. Reviewers with families love being able to cook 2 different things quickly and simultaneously with just one appliance. Coming at number 4, Philips 3000 Series Air Fryer Essential Compact Touchscreen Air Fryer. The Philips 3000 touchscreen air fryer has no dials, knobs, or buttons. Instead, it is completely controlled by an LED touchscreen. With the tap of a button, you can instantly start air frying, roasting, reheating, or dehydrating your food. With 1,700 watts of power for super fast preheating and cooling, this air fryer is incredibly reasonably priced and will look beautiful on your countertop. Reviewers also love its 60-minute automatic shutoff function for added safety and peace of mind, especially when cooking with the family. Number 3. GoWise USA 3.7-quart programmable air fryer. Pros: 8 presets for one-touch control. Runs quietly. Cons: plastic exterior. Key specs: countertop footprint 12 x 12 inches. Capacity: 3.7 quarts. Available colors: 4. Inexpensive doesn't have to mean ineffective. And the user-friendly GoWise USA 3.7-quart programmable air fryer is proof. The classic design comes with 8 cooking preset buttons for cooking chicken, pork, shrimp, chips, fish, and even cake. It also has customizable temperature and time controls for recipes, along with specific cooking instructions. When running on a timer, it will sound a clear beep to indicate when it's done, and it will also automatically shut off by itself. With its 3.7-quart capacity, it'll fit about 8 chicken wings or a medium-sized batch of fries. Although some reviewers really don't like that the exterior is made of plastic, it is touted as being a very quiet unit. Its fans aren't nearly as loud as your stovetop range. Coming at number 2, Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Pros: has bake, broil, roast, toast, reheat, proof, and dehydrate functions. Cons: takes up a lot of space. Key specs: countertop footprint 16 x 12 inches. Capacity: 18 quarts. Available colors: 1. We know we said air fryers are typically smallish appliances that aren't meant for making large batches, but this is one notable exception. The Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer has a sizable 18-quart capacity and can do everything from bake and broil to toast and dehydrate, and so much more. Of course, it can also air fry with the best of them. This stainless steel air fryer is fully equipped with preset times and temps for popular fried meals and snacks, but it also lets you manually adjust the temperature range anywhere from 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can set its convection fan on low or high. Reviewers say that it cooks hot and fast, and they love its sizable window, which makes it a notable standout from many other air fryers. This allows you to clearly check on the progress and ensure that nothing gets burnt to a crisp. Number 1. Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL Pro Z has a sleek exterior and compact footprint, equipped with grilling, baking, roasting, toasting, and dehydrating functions. Easy to clean. Cons: expensive. Key specs: countertop footprint 17 x 13 inches. Capacity: 7 quarts. Available colors: 1. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL has a range of settings that allows you to bake, roast, and even grill your foods, and it comes with 1 frying basket. It also features a smart preset button that memorizes the settings for your favorite and most frequently cooked recipes. Reviewers love how easy this unit is to clean, and that its 7-quart capacity can fit some pretty generous portions. Because of its sleek design, ease of use and cleanup, and its manageable size, we're naming this model as our best overall air fryer. When we asked Chef Celeste Rogers about her tips and tricks for using an air fryer, check out the very bottom section, we also had to know what her preferred model is, and this air fryer gets her stamp of approval. She likes that it uses a patented starfish fan to evenly circulate air in a way that delivers crispy results from edge to edge, which means you won't end up with soggy fried chicken wings or mushy fries. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best hot air fryers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.